Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with a Face Mask Friday! And as you can see, we have another gorgeous Halloween look. And this is our Dark Angel. So if you would like to see how we achieve this look, then stay tuned and find out how. So, as always, we are beginning this with some primer, and again, as always, we're using the Revolution primer. So I just start off with my pore primer, and now just going in with my anti-redness primer as well, just so that we can cancel out all of those blemishes and any darker red tones throughout the skin, just to help, you know, pale out the makeup. So yep, now we're just going in with our foundation. This is the NYX Can't Stop or Won't Stop 24-hour foundation, and I'm just using a generic beauty blender just to bounce that into the skin, get it in every little nook and cranny, and, you know, covering the ears and of course the neck as well, because we want that blend to be perfecto. So this makeup, you don't need to really go paler. You can do whatever your normal skin tone is. This is actually my normal foundation. It surprisingly looks a lot paler than normal. I don't know why that is, but we're just gonna roll with it. So now we're just going in with some contour. This is just one of these stick contours that I've got from Revolution also. And we're just kind of going around the generic points, carving in the cheeks and of course the jawline and chin, and just taking a nice buffing brush and just working that into the skin, making sure that it is blended out and flawless. And yeah, normal stuff really. This is really generic for like normal me. Now just going in with some bronzer. This is the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and it is the darker one, so it does come out a little bit more bronzed, but to be fair, I wanted to kind of add a bit more colour to this look because I do look very, very pale. And obviously don't worry if you do go a little bit ham with the bronzer and stuff, because the next step will hopefully help cancel that out. So now we're just baking the skin with some setting powder. This is translucent powder. I think I did use a little bit too much on there. As you can see, I just coughed. Yeah. You can leave it in to help set the makeup a little bit more, but I tend to not leave it in for too long. And yeah, we're jumping into the eyes now. So I just used the Morphe eyelid primer, eyeshadow primer I should say, and just working that in with my fingers there, just because I feel like I get more coverage and stuff with those. And we're actually going in with the Emma Mitchell Beauty Bay palette, just taking that black all over the eyelid and slowly pulling it out. So I started off with just a normal flat fluffy brush, but then I actually just changed up to an angled brush here, just so that we can get those lines nice and defined and straight. Now I did pull mine out quite a bit. I think it just helps make it a lot more dramatic, a lot more effective as well. And I also did take that black under the eye, and again with this you can just kind of keep building the colour. So I did have to take a few dips back into the shades. Now these are pressed pigments, so they are a lot stronger. So, you know, with a normal black eyeshadow this would probably take a little bit longer, but this was very, very easy to actually achieve. And yeah, you just kind of have to keep going backwards and forwards and just trying to even it out roughly. It's never going to be completely even, but you know, just roll with the punches. And as you can see, I do go very, very wild with those wings there. Just really dragged those out. And now I'm actually just going in and touching up the edges so that it's not like completely smooth, just buffing it out a little bit. And now we're taking this kind of purpley plum, almost bruised shade, which is gorgeous, and we're literally just buffing that into the outer, like the outline of it all, just trying to blend those colors together using a nice fluffy brush. And again, this step is, you know, buildable, so you just kind of work slowly with it and kind of keep going until you get to your desired shade and blend. So I do kind of keep stopping and starting with this because I had to keep checking on it to make sure that it was looking how it was looking on the camera and stuff. But yeah, I take it right into the inner corners, and you'll see we keep going back in. I just really wanted to kind of deepen and darken it. I think I did at some points go in with some black as well, just to kind of, again, marry the shades together a little bit nicer. And now we're just taking that angled brush again, but this time with the purple. Now there's probably still a little bit of the black on there, so it helped to darken those lines, and literally just drawing straight down, go in some funky angles and just kind of make it your own and make it a bit unique. And yeah, just going into the eyebrows now. So using our normal pomade, as I like to call it, I think that's how you call it anyway. And yeah, just brushing those out. Now I actually did lose some footage there, but I literally just put on some blush, and that's pretty much all I did during that quick change. And oh my god, we're going so quick. So we applied some of our mascara, and I applied it in a downward motion, and this is something that I learned from a good friend of mine, and they taught me that to help apply lashes, and these are the Indigo Rose lashes in Queen, I believe, and yeah, they are super like stunning. But just to help with the application, you brush them down first, then you can glue them on and get them onto your eyelid, and then just with your fingers press them together, so you're marrying your normal lashes with your falsies. And I've just applied some mascara there just to kind of marry them a little bit more, and of course our Jeffree Star highlighter, and now a nice dark purple lip. Now you know me, I never really go for dark lips, but I am living for this, and I think it is super stunning. It just works very well. And now we're just setting this makeup with some Morphe setting spray. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and you know, if you did, as always, let me know down below in the comments, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well. A little bit extra, a little bit crazy. You can definitely neaten this up a lot, but I really like this. I think it's really like exaggerated. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, witches.